Fire Master Lucky 5 here. So, recently, my tablet's had quite some falls and the screen just cracked inside basically. So, ripperoni to those working, and Nox player is not getting far. But I did have the Apple product from the student package that I've been avoiding opening until now. It's an iPad 6th generation, 32 gigabyte. Now it includes iPad lightning cable, well, like the USB cable, sorry, USB power adapter, and I'm not sure what else. Okay. Stand up. Oh, I almost dropped another one. That would have been disastrous. As you can see, here's the case. I guess that's the camera. Don't know what the mic is. Follow this slip tag. Which is also a sticker seal. Peel it off. And also leave it on, but I don't know how well the screen will work. And there's that lightning to USB. So you can plug in the ports. Of course I have a Mac, which I think has other ports anyway, but I'm guessing, it doesn't say it, I'm guessing those are the volume ones. That was the power button. There's a charge button right here, and I think it would be a pin connector, which I do not like. But USB, there's a lightning to USB cable, so I can just plug it in my wall charger and charge it there. Speakers, USB port. This thing is really thin. You can see how big is it? Roll right here. Oh. Yep, that's not something I'm working on. So let's see, I got bit more than 9.5, but the actual screen area itself is about almost 8, 6, 7.5. I'll get that later. Alright, designated, or no, sorry, designed by Apple in California. Oh, yep, it's showing me right there. Sleep, wake, volume, display. Tips, check out tips, okay. It has a sticker there, it's always a sticker. Because people like the ugly. No, it's an ugly sticker. That's metallic. Don't know what the heck it does, but okay. I'm not sure if this comes out. It's unnecessarily thick. Stomach thick. Alright, oh, and let's put that to the side. Let's take it some more. And here it is. Yep, there. So, it's a USB back piece. I guess it's expected for some charge for your USB. So, I don't know what that back piece is for. Oh, it's okay. I see. It's a headphone jack. So I guess at this point they hadn't removed the headphones, the jack. Because I know they were converted to Thunderbolt headphones. There's a back face camera, so interface now. This is the mics there. Alright. This recharger looks just like the back charger. Wall charger folds in. I don't know if it has a charge to it. It's nice that this thing comes with its own. And kind of messed up and not include an overpriced product, which I'm. Here we go. All right. This is something case for. Power on. Apple logo. Oh my gosh. Oh wait. Okay. This is the camera up here. And this down here is like a home button. Press home button to open. This is the Hola. Is Alo. Okay. Oh, this is Bonjour. Okay, and then set up in English, please. Okay, it's at 66%, so about 2/3 charge. Select your country, United States, has it right there. Click start iPhone or iPad running iOS. Enter, putting it nearby to sign in automatically. I guess I can't do it through my MacBook. Alright, so what I had to do is log into the Wi-Fi, which I don't want to give the password away. Okay. Oh, there goes Discord. Join. Definitely gonna turn the brightness down on this. Okay. Yeah, that's successful. I'm gonna cut the bars. Alright, I'm running out of video for this one. I'm gonna have video now. Alright. So then in privacy, this icon appears when the Apple feature asks to use your personal information. You won't see this every feature. With every feature, since Apple collects this information only when needed to enable features, secure out services, or personalize your experience. Okay. Apple believes privacy is a fundamental human right, so every Apple product is designed to minimize the collection and use of your data, use on device processing when possible, and provide transparency and control over your information. Okay, I'm not gonna. Okay. And somehow Touch ID. I guess this is the password pattern login. Use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID. Pass. Touch ID. Okay, never mind. I don't know what that is. I don't know if I want to do it. Place your finger. Okay, so once I get a thumbprint or something. Place your finger. Let them rest your finger on the home button repeatedly. Touch ID. Touch the home button to enroll your fingerprint. Make sure to cover the ring and that your finger is dry. Okay, that is creepy. Let your finger. Okay. Move your finger slightly between scans. What? This is so creepy. I better just skip this thing. Oh, well. Keep going. Adjust your grip. Keep going to capture the edges of your... Oh my gosh. Okay. So the whole... Not pressing the home button. I just gotta rub my thumb over it. Oh my gosh, almost complete. It's just taking so freaking long. Complete. Your Touch ID is ready. Your print can be used to unlock your iPad. Create a passcode. Touch ID provides convenient and secure fingerprint access. Occasionally, your passcode will require... Fine. Passcode options. Okay. Custom alphanumeric code. Custom numeric code. 4-digit numeric code. And we gotta re-enter it. Oh, come on. Okay. I like the other way with the patterns, but that works too. Restore from absent data. Well, I've been using Android, so that's how it works. For Apple, that's with desktop. So that's not gonna work. New data from Android, which I can't really do because the devices are kaput. I'm not sure how that works. Oh my gosh. There we go. I can enter my Apple ID now. I'm pretty sure I set up my Outlook. The thing about the Apple IDs and passwords is that automatically set my computer's password to match that. Apple now uses two-factor authentication in order to access your account. When you sign in on a new device, you will verify your identity using one of your other devices or your phone number. Another way. Other options. I don't want... Oh. Next. Or I can just do that to skip it. There we go. Terms and conditions. It may take a few minutes to set your Apple ID. A few minutes, that'd be good used on this. Express settings. You can use the same below, customize an individual, blah blah blah. Alternate. Update. Pay, add card to Apple Pay. Nope. iCloud keychain. Siri. Screen time. iCloud Analytics. No. App Analytics. Quick Access. Switch between recent apps. Tutorial. Quick Access Control. Welcome to iPad. Get started. Alright, I think that's it. I finally got in. Now to get settings. Thank you for watching. Subscribers 11 subscribe for the iPad. There's 6 unboxing.